Today we will discuss the answer structure for Anthropology Optional. It should ideally consist of an introduction, body and conclusion. So what is introduction? Say for example you take any of these topics, marriage, family, descent, etc. Say a question comes on marriage, any of the topic of marriage. Your introduction can be like, marriage is a universally existing social institution. Likewise, maybe descent, you can introduce this topic of descent by saying that it is a social rule which is also universally existent. Then after introduction, you have the body of the answer, and this body should essentially address the demand of the question by paying due attention to the taglines. For example, discuss, analyze, examine, or critically analyze, etc. And this body of the answer should consist of the following things. You can quote the definition or some quotations of the scholars who are essentially anthropologists or any other social scientists related to the question that has been asked. Then followed by interlinking paper 1 and paper 2, and some questions need a multidimensional approach, followed by the charts, diagrams and quoting examples. And then you can also include some case studies collected from different anthropological magazines and journals. And then it is very essential to use the subject specific language that is essentially in anthropological terms. And then coming to conclusion should definitely have an anthropological significance. It should be futuristic, and also it should ideally provide a solution to the problem or an issue that has been asked in the question, and mostly the conclusion should be positive in nature, justifying the two main approaches of anthropology, cultural relativism and humanistic approach. So this is the answer structure of the questions that are generally asked in mains.